For centuries, the Star of Bethlehem has hovered between faith, legend, and scientific curiosity, described in the Gospel of Matthew as a celestial sign that went before the Magi and stood over the place where Jesus was born. Recently, a NASA planetary scientist, Mark Matney, published a study arguing that a bright comet recorded by Chinese astronomers in 5 BC fits the historical and observational details better than many previous explanations. Matney's approach blends historical records with orbital reconstruction. Ancient Chinese chronicles describe a brilliant comet visible for more than 2 months in 5 BC. Matney used those observations to model possible orbital paths and apparent motion as seen from the Near East. One reconstructed trajectory, he argues, would have made the comet appear to lead travelers southward toward Bethlehem and then seem to pause overhead, an apparent motion that echoes Matthew's description. This comet hypothesis challenges other popular astronomical explanations, such as planetary conjunctions or supernovae, by offering a single phenomenon that can account for both prolonged visibility and apparent directed motion. Comets were often recorded in ancient chronicles and interpreted as portentous, which helps explain why the Magi, astrologer scholars from the East, might have interpreted such an object as signaling a royal birth. Matney's reconstruction therefore aims to bridge textual detail, cultural context, and celestial mechanics. Skeptics caution that matching a single astronomical event to a theological narrative remains speculative. Gospel accounts are theological texts written decades after the events they describe, and the Magi's story may combine symbolic meaning with historical memory. Even so, Matney's work is notable because it uses concrete, datable observations from independent sources and modern orbital modeling to produce a plausible candidate, something previous theories often lacked. The proposal has reignited public and scholarly debate by showing how modern science can illuminate, though not definitively settle, ancient mysteries. Whether one reads the Nativity as literal history, theological symbolism, or a mixture of both, the NASA scientists' comet theory is a striking example of interdisciplinary inquiry. Historians, astronomers, and theologians can all use the same evidence to ask different but complementary questions. For readers curious about the details, Matney's paper and contemporary reporting summarize the Chinese records, the orbital reconstructions, and the ways those data intersect with the gospel narrative.